Good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 25th of October. The euro rose yesterday on hopes that EU leaders will agree on measures to fight the eurozone deepening debt crisis during the EU summit on Wednesday. Investors are expecting a deal on bank recapitalisation, private sector involvement in Greece's bailout and any expansion of the European Financial Stability Facility. Against the dollar, the single currency hit a 6-week high, breaking above the 139 level and rising as high as 139.55 from 138.21. Eurozone PMI data disappointed the market after softer than expected figures were revealed, adding to speculation for an interest rate cut by the European Central Bank. The US dollar was softer yesterday against a basket of currencies as heightened risk appetite weighs on the safe haven currency. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback is trading in a tight range on fears for an intervention by the Bank of Japan. After the pair dropped to a record low on Friday, Japan's finance minister said the central bank is ready to intervene in the currency markets if needed in order to curb the yen's rise, as a strong yen may hurt exporters' profits. The pair declined to 75.98 yesterday from 76.43, but later it rebounded to 76.22. The British pound rose to a 6-week high versus the greenback yesterday, rising as high as 160.07 from 159. The pair remains well supported ahead of the EU summit on optimism the EU leaders will agree on a concrete plan to tackle the region's debt crisis. Attention now shifts to the Bank of England Governor King's speech at 8:45 GMT. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rise 6.2%, rising to $92 a barrel from $86.70. Gold jumped to $1,661.80 an ounce from $1,635.47, and silver also edged higher at $32.02 an ounce from $31.19. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 138.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.40. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.25. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 103.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.70. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 159.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 159.50. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90. The gold pivot point is at 1644 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1644. And the silver pivot point is at 31.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.30. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are Canadian retail sales in August forecast to gain 0.3%, US housing price index in August to gain 0.1%, and US consumer confidence in October to rise to 46. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were positive with the FTSE up 1.08%, the DAX was up 1.41%, and the CAC was up 1.55%. In the US, they were also positive with the SP 500 up 1.29% and the Dow was up 0.89%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.45% and the Hang Seng was up 0.54%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Jay from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.